Hey guys, today we got a Leer 122 series. Fits the 99 to 16 Ford Super Duty with the 8-foot bed. Red in color. This is in pretty good shape. It's got a little bit of a paint issue right there, a little bit of clear coat peel and a scratch right there, and a couple spots and some stress cracks there. Paint doesn't look too bad up there. A little bit of a scuff mark right there. The top and the top edge look good. Some chips here and there. A couple chips on the front edge, which is pretty common for these. They sit up so high, so they catch road debris. A couple stress cracks right there. Bottom edge looks good. No major damage on the bottom edge. Whoops. Try that again. There we go. In between here, looks good. Above the window, just stress cracks here and there, probably just stuff being hustled around on the inside. Does have the single bay window, and then the half slider in the front side. The front is a picture window. A couple chips there. That's a little bit of a paint chips there, probably hitting the back of the cab. One right there. A couple stress cracks on the front leading edge there. Does have a rub mark here, there, and then down here on the bottom. These are going to be between the cab and the cap, so you're really not going to see that anyway. Bottom edge here looks good. Top and the top edge on this side look pretty good. Actually less stress cracks on this side than there was on the other. This side looks really good. Bottom edge on this side looks nice. Couple small chips right here. A little bit of weed was there. A couple chips right there. And then one small, find it again, one small chip right there. And just a couple more nicks, you can barely see them. Paint on this side looks good as well, above the window. A little bit of a stress crack. It's hard to see it, but right in there between the two windows. Does have the single bay in the rear and then the half slider in the front on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. A little bit of a scuff on the paint and a little black mark. A couple chips up here. A little bit of a scuff mark there. And then you got this mark here where whatever that was hit the paint there, chipped it up. Inside looks pretty good. Doesn't look like it leaks at all. Screens on this side look pretty good. A little bit of a small spot in the screen. Oh, there it is. A little small tear in the screen right there. This side looks really nice as well. Screen on this side. A couple small holes right there. And then on the top, got a couple holes right there. Really not too bad. Serial number is right there. Looks like it was built in Pennsylvania warehouse, factory. there it is. Got a Leer 122 series. It's a 99 to 16 Ford Super Duty with the 8-foot bed. It says it's specifically built for the 08 to 16 only because it has a tailgate skirt on it that fits that. It'll work on both the 99 to 06 as well as the 08 to, or 99 to 07 as well as the 08 to 16. 8-foot bed, red in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased on our website as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck and you're kind of keep up to date with what's coming in, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as we get inventory in. So you'll want to subscribe below to keep up to date on any new inventory that's coming in. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.